3 days. That's how long the average property manager waits between discovering a lease violation and getting a legally compliant notice out the door. AI cuts that to the same day. Today we're looking at 3 AI tools that auto-draft eviction notices, cure or quit notices, and compliance letters, ranked by portfolio size and complexity. Here's the reality of how most property management teams handle lease violations today versus what an AI-powered workflow looks like. The difference isn't just time. It's legal exposure, staff burnout, and the deals you lose because your team is buried in paperwork instead of leasing units. One wrong notice period, one missing legal clause, and your eviction case gets thrown out. You restart the clock, lose weeks of rent, and pay your attorney again. The cost of a single drafting error is not small. Let's walk through 3 AI tools, starting with the one you can use today without any new software. Start here. No new software, no subscription, no learning curve. Property managers are pasting their jurisdiction-specific templates directly into ChatGPT and letting it autofill the tenant details, violation type, and legally required notice period. Here's what that actually looks like for a California property. You paste your template, provide the tenant details, and in seconds you have a clean draft ready for attorney review. This works whether you're managing 5 doors or 200 units across multiple cities. ChatGPT handles the full range of compliance documents your team produces every month: pay or quit notices, cure or quit notices, lease violation warnings, and rent increase letters. Any document where you have a solid template and just need the blanks filled accurately and fast. Once your volume grows, or you're managing properties across multiple states, you need something built specifically for legal documents. AI Lawyer maintains a library of jurisdiction-specific eviction notice templates and calculates legally compliant notice periods based on your state and local laws automatically. For a company operating in multiple states, this eliminates the risk of accidentally applying a Texas notice period to a Florida eviction, the kind of error that resets your entire timeline by weeks. Multi-state operators run into the same traps over and over. Here are 2 of the most expensive misconceptions we see from property management companies managing properties across state lines. For large portfolios, the real opportunity is embedding AI directly into your operational workflow, not just the drafting step. Brickwise AI is built for property management companies that want notices generated as part of a broader operational workflow, not as a separate manual step. When a lease violation is logged in the system, Brickwise triggers the appropriate notice automatically. No staff member needs to initiate it. For a 500-unit portfolio, that means your team is reviewing and approving notices rather than drafting them from scratch, a fundamental shift in how compliance workload gets distributed across your operation. Here's what the fully automated compliance workflow looks like inside a system like Brickwise. A violation gets logged. The system identifies the property jurisdiction, selects the correct notice template, autofills tenant and violation details, and routes the draft to a staff member for review before delivery. The only human step is the approval. Everything else is handled automatically. Here's how all 3 tools stack up so you can match the right solution to your portfolio size. ChatGPT is your starting point, fast and free with your existing templates. AI Lawyer is the step up for multi-state operators who need jurisdiction-specific accuracy at volume. Brickwise AI is the enterprise layer, embedding compliance automation directly into your full property management workflow. Across the 3 tools, here's what property management companies are reporting in time savings per notice type. Pay or quit notices, which used to take 45 minutes to draft and review, are getting done in under 5. Cure or quit notices with custom violation language drop from over an hour to about 10 minutes. The math compounds fast across a portfolio with active turnover. AI does not replace your attorney. It eliminates the part your attorney should never be doing in the first place: writing the first draft. Before you pick a tool, run through this quick checklist. Know your portfolio size and how many states you operate in. Audit your current notice templates to see if they are up to date. Identify who on your team owns the compliance drafting step today. Then, pick the tool that matches your volume and start with one notice type before rolling out across your workflow. Every day your team spends drafting compliance letters by hand is a day of legal exposure and lost productivity. The right AI tool for your portfolio is out there, and it takes less than a week to implement. Book a call, and we will map out exactly which solution fits your operation Your unit count, your states, and your workflow. No generic advice, just a clear plan built around your portfolio. And subscribe to stay ahead of the AI tools reshaping property management operations every month.